Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve bitrate on CapCut. Do you know how to fix or how to solve bitrate on CapCut? You should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of CapCut and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. If you'll find it, you can update your app here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.